right?
Yeah.
Yo, we're matching.
Oh, you're a dick.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing some yee things. So today we're cutting off the muffler off of this GMC Sierra. Alright, let's do it. Oh, I'm getting really wet. What the fuck is this? I can't do shit, dude. Okay, get this off me. Alright, cut it. Alright.
Are you cutting it?
Was.
Alright, come on, hurry up.
Bent the blade.
Yeah, for real?
Yeah, we'll keep it straight. Fine.
How'd you do that?
You're not, dude.
Don't bend that one. You're already bending it. Lay underneath it, yeah. Any glasses?
I made progress.
How much more? You have a hacksaw?
I think I made it. Hold on.
You have a hammer? Give me a hammer too so I can fix my blades.
It's not cutting through, so I'm gonna hit it. I think this man is cheap and doesn't want to use blades.
My dad's blades.
And I suck at cutting.
Joe, give an update.
Blades.
Your son sucks at cutting. He's bending all my blades.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
There's plastic around his drive shaft. That's nice. Very nice. Ow, my elbow! Alright, let's start up and see what it. Hold on, I want to record it. Alright, go ahead. Grab it. I hope we can make this the thumbnail. Yeah, I got it off. You gotta cut the wall off. Professional. Don't worry. Professional Joe. I cut it too short. It might fall off. Don't tell him. I give it about a week until it falls off. Oh wait. Is it going the bottom or top? Does it matter? I'm asking you, Anthony. Joe Hoffman Customs. That's the good open up the shop. This is what happens when you're too cheap to get something welded on. So it might be over tightened, but it's good. It works. It works. Yeah. There we go. We should wait till after this car. sounds like he needs a flex pipe on his car. Open up my own shop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, but that was my first time ever straight piping a truck. Yeah, it's probably my last too. But this vlog is over. I'll see you guys later.